In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wolfjaw's headset to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have this particular model of wireless gaming headsets that are compatible with the PlayStation 5, connecting it is extremely simple. So they will often include a dongle, and what you have to do is plug this dongle into your PlayStation 5. So the dongle is what allows the headset to communicate with the console. So all that you have to do is locate any suitable USB port on your console. Usually it is going to be a USB-A port, so these ones here in the rear or the front, but you can also try using the USB-C port that you see. It doesn't really matter. Just find an available one and then you will plug it in like this. Like I said before, the dongle will then connect to the headset on its own. It is going to minimize latency instead of using something like Bluetooth, and all of the audio being output through the PlayStation 5 console will now go over to the Wolfjaw's headset, and this will work with any model as long as it is compatible with the PlayStation 5. This should also work for PC and PlayStation 4, but of course, if you bought the Xbox model, then it is unlikely that it is going to work with your PlayStation 5 console. So pay attention to which model you acquired, and as long as it includes a dongle that looks like this, you will be able to use it on various different consoles. You will also notice that this particular dongle expands into a USB-C tinier dongle. This one can be used on other consoles, possibly the Nintendo Switch, and also mobile devices such as a smartphone. So just plug the main USB-A dongle into the PlayStation 5 if that's the console that you intend to use the Wolfjaw's headset on. It is simple to use, and you might also have other connection modes available, such as a wired connection if you prefer, and also Bluetooth. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us on the channel make higher quality content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.